Good day. Today we will be talking about one of my favorite feature of the FX991EX or the Casio class-based scientific calculator. But before we get into that, let's answer this problem first. Evaluate the algebraic expression for x is equal to negative 3 fifths for the expression x squared minus 2x plus 5 all over 3x minus 7. Now, the usual way to answer this is to substitute the value negative 3 fifths to x in the expression. And doing that will be like this. So that's negative 3 over 5. And then squaring it. Minus 3 times negative 3 over 5. Remember, for every x in the expression, we will substitute negative 3 over 5. Plus 5. And then for the denominator, that's 3x minus 7. So it's 3 times the quantity, negative 3 over 5. And minus 7. So there. So we will get this value, negative 179 over 220. Now, isn't it hard and long to do? Because for every x, we substitute negative 3 over 5. Now let's go into this favorite button, favorite feature of the class-based calculator. This is the STO button right here, right above the number 7 button. And this easily store, that's why STO, store or assign any value to any variable. So doing this problem using the STO button will help us a lot, and it will be easier. So first input negative 3 over 5, the value that we wish to assign. So there, and then press the STO button. Now notice when pressing the STO button, this will appear. This icon here will appear, meaning we are now ready to assign this value to a variable. Now conveniently, the variable, the most commonly used variable x, has a special button in the class list, and it's here. It's this button, right below the on button. So pressing this, then notice again that an arrow will appear, and it will be, after that is the variable x, meaning that the value negative 3 over 5 is already assigned to x. So to evaluate the expression, all we need to do is to type the expression as it is using the variable. So you have x squared right there minus 3x plus 5 over 3x minus 7. And to evaluate the expression, we know that negative 3 over 5 is now assigned to x. The expression will now be evaluated for that value, and you will get negative 179 over 220. Obviously the same as what we got with doing the tedious calculation before. We can review that calculation by pressing the arrow cursor key up. So here, so you see it's negative 1799 over 220, and using the substitution or the STO button, we got negative 179 over 220. So there, that's why this is one of my favorite feature of the class Until then, class